What is going on, guys? It is Nightmare here, and I'm going to take a nature walk. But not by myself.
Oh,
He's
hey.
going to take us to selfies.
What's up?
He's going to take us to selfies.
What's up, guys? It's Corey from the Friday Gang.
Yeah, hold it the heck.
I decided to record
So,
with Nightmare with
no.
me. Yeah.
You seriously just sneak a video in there?
Yeah. I was waiting for you to notice.
You little.
I was like, full. I'm like, oh yeah, whatever. I wish I could
Well,
figure it out.
Yeah, I haven't been making videos lately. Lost my Xbox internet because I didn't lose it. It's just I spammed up the internet bill.
I have to
My fault.
my network for my PS4 to make videos.
That's the problem with him. We both got issues with our freaking consoles.
All we have is right now is our phones.
Oh, dang it, I can't do it.
What?
I was gonna say, I was gonna try to flip the camera around without.
Oh yeah, I tried that before.
That just freaking sucks.
But the light!
Oh, shit. Yes, it's
Oh, that is really bright. Oh god, sorry. Sorry, guys.
There we go.
Here,
I'm in my little hoodie.
I'll get my hoodie.
I'm in my
Sorry
cove.
if it's too close.
I'm in my cove.
Here. I'll zoom out.
This is what.
Sorry,
Oh god, walking backwards sucks. Let's just deal with the light. Jesus.
Oh, not for me. What's up, guys? Welcome to my private club. It's called Club Hoodie.
It's so close.
Club Hoodie. We're always number one here.
Why are we such idiots these days? Why? Just why are we?
I've always been an idiot.
There's a
God, it is so bright.
It's my dog. Lily. What's up, Lily?
What's up,
Hey, the camera. Say hi to the camera, not the car and the people.
I want to say hi to the car.
What's up, Lily? How you doing, Lily?
She's like a
My freaking hands are cold right now.
it ain't too bad. We're gonna record some magic though. We're definitely gonna record magic.
Yeah, no, but I wouldn't bet on that. Your parents would say no. What? Shut up. What are you saying?
Oh god!
Run from him! Run from the demon! No. Fuck you. Oh god! He's like... Oh Jesus! Did you literally just end it?
I was going to end it.
Ooh. Ooh. I got an idea.
What?
Get out there and hold the camera so I can face me, because I'm a parkour man.
I'll parkour some little bit. What's up, guys? It's me and Corey. Holding the camera here. Goodbye. I'm going to do the parkour. This is Jetfuck.
Parkour man.
Sucks.
Why?
Mine's better.
Whatever you say.
Okay.
Fucking cute. Whatever you say. That's as fast as you can go under it.
No, I have to go faster.
Hold the camera again.
Okay,
Just come here and hold the camera. It's going like a meteor.
I think I just scratched my leg too. I scratched my leg. Oh, let's just brag about it. I got my phone.
I'm looking for some more parkour places around here. Are you gonna literally walk the get in there? What's it look like? What?
Oh, it's got a code thing.
Oh god.
That sucks.
Well, someone must have left their emergency code there. Where's some more parkour? I need parkour.
We got my trampoline, do some parkour.
That is not parkour, that's just flipping. And bouncing the shit out of each other and falling on the ground.
It's fun for me.
Fun for you. last time my head was almost there. I grabbed on the bars. I'm like, it is right there.
Yeah.
I don't want to do that again.
Okay. So what parkour you want to do?
I wish the house was abandoned. I'd be climbing all over it.
Oh yeah, I wish no one lived here.
That's the house I went to parkour on, and I think there's something in the window. Did anybody see anything in the window? Pretty sure something back there. Get out of here, son. No one likes you.
I like it. It tells me when I can wake up in the morning.
It's good, but it's bad.
It tells me when
Because it shines right off your freaking camera.
It tells me when I can wake up in the morning.
It has not much parkour. I mean, I can just hop on my roof. That'd be fun. But I'd probably get caught. Because loud noises.
Yeah.
There's no such thing as parkour in these places. I mean, yeah, if my fence was sturdy, I'd be hopping over and over and over it. Can't.
Mine is. But my dad would yell at me.
Yeah, because of course. It's not your fence. Well, guess what? It is actually your old fence.
Yeah, it's my. He yell at me just about me jumping over it.
I mean, it's your fence. You can do whatever the heck you want with it. I mean, yes, at my dad's, there will be plenty of parkour around. Benches, swings, boats, fences you can actually hop over and no one even cares. There's actual parkour there.
Oh my God, that scared me. Is that your mom's car?
No, she's I think she's in Orlando right now. She's somewhere in the world. On a business trip. Check it out. My dead gun. I know fire. Left down the rain, and trust me, it was my brother's fault. Not mine. And brother, if you watch this, screw you. I know it was your fault. I'm not an idiot.
He's gonna laugh. Your brother just says, I want to like your channel. Good everyone, good for now.
If he freaking says that, I'm going to kill my brother for the rest of his life.
Go to
Lily!
channel. Go to Corey's
Shut
channel.
up!
Subscribe to Corey's channel.
Shut up, Lily. Shut up, you stupid giant dog turds.
She's like, drama, boy.
I will kick her face if I have to.
Why are you holding the camera down? You know you can hold it up, right?
I don't care. I just want it down here because I
I
like
gotta put the
carrying
case back on this thing again.
It's probably ice.
It's salt. Me and Dane found that.
Ooh. Bucket.
Yeah, it's salt.
Bucket pieces. I know I smell like salt.
Huh?
I know I smell like salt.
It's not the salt you eat.
Oh, okay.
Did you just hit done record?
I didn't hit it up.
Okay. Everyone's just going to be sitting looking at the back and they're like, what the heck is going on here?
Look at it again. There's a free floating around.
Yeah?
Some ranger strangers, they stalk me at night. But they don't know I know.
In here, in my garage. Oh my weenie. What are you doing in here?
What are you doing in here?
Yeah, don't show me. My hair's not even
Hey, there's
done.
some parkour over there. There's some parkour there.
Oh, okay, here.
No, you go. I want to see you hop it.
I don't want to hop.
I want to see you hoppy woppy. I want to see you jump
It's been a
around.
while since I hopped the thing.
Do it! Just do it. Wrong fence, you idiot. Why? The f... That is not what I'm talking about.
I can't flip better than the fence.
Why can't you?
That back parkour. Of course I'm fat. You tell people.
Just freaking take the camera. Let me show you. It will be your touchdown.
Boop, 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 boop.
Freaking face, man. Stop giving the people your freaking face.
They all want my face because I'm sexy.
You can't do that.
I could do that.
Why'd you not?
I have a phone in my pocket, unlike you.
Then take your phone out of the pocket and set it on the ground.
My phone in your pocket.
Why the heck would you want my phone in your pocket? Right there. Here we go. Cracked Door's phone.
Better?
A little bit better. Get you some work. Check out my beauty.
Hashtag again.
No one gets to see it. I hear rapists going that band.
In the corner you see the wild rapist.
But surprisingly, there's glass windows in the back, so. No clue why, but part rapist, part not. I don't know. I don't care.
Oh, staring at it. Is that you, Vanos? Vanos!
He's talking to that owl right there.
Vanos, is that
Acting
you?
like a weirdo. Here's an idiot.
John, you exercise over freaking.
Hello, pigeons! You're on YouTube. Say something.
Well,
Don't you dare aim that. Don't you dare if you aim that butt at me.
I'll laugh at people on your phone.
They put me on my phone. I'm gonna kill them with a gun.
What gun? You have no gun, boy. Why am I talking like this, boy?
I don't know. You're sounding like an idiot.
I'm not talking about I'm talking like a true Western.
But well, me and my bro here, that has been our nature walk for today. I will be doing another one. And I will see you guys next time. Screw him. He's not about. Bye.